Hi there! Welcome to our quick guide for managing billing and subscription plans. In our previous video, we covered user onboarding and administration. Now let's dive into effectively managing billing and subscription plans. To get started, head over to our website at www.vlearned.com and log in as an admin, then click on Manage Your Organizations. Next, select the organization you want to manage from the list. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to see your current subscription plan. Currently, you're on the Micro plan, which is completely free and allows for up to 10 trainees. The admins and instructors can be added free of charge with no limit. If you have more than 10 users, it's a good idea to consider subscribing to the EduFlex plan. This plan is highly flexible and can be tailored to your specific learning management system needs. Before you subscribe to the plan, make sure to add a valid payment method. You have 3 card options here: Visa card, MasterCard, and Union Pay. Choose the one that suits you best. Fill in your card details, then click Submit to add your payment method. You can click the edit icon here to delete your card details. Use the adjustment bar to customize the EduFlex plan to match your LMS requirements. The plan charges will align with your needs. After adjusting the user plan, click Subscribe to subscribe to the plan. Your payment method will be charged immediately. You can also access your invoices and receipts in the billing category for your records. If you ever need to change your plan, just return here to adjust the user count and click Subscribe again. It will be charged according to the new plan you subscribe to. If you choose to downgrade your plan, your current subscription fee will be prorated to account for the new plan, and your payment will be adjusted accordingly for the next billing cycle. For example, if your current subscription is for 400 users and you decide to downgrade to a 100-user plan, when you click Subscribe, the generated invoice will show $0, as there may still be unused funds from your previous $400 plan. The remaining balance will be applied towards your new $100 plan. You can cancel your plan anytime just by clicking this Cancel button. It's important to note that a cancellation is only affected at the end of your chosen billing cycle and not immediately. This means that when you cancel, you will still be able to use the services on your plan until the end of your billing cycle, which in this case, if October 13, 2023, as shown here. You can reverse the cancellation at any time, and your subscription payments will continue recurring at the end of the billing cycle. That's it. You're all set to effectively manage your billing and subscription plans. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for choosing Vlearned.